Good morning. Today I am going to discuss a very important problem on magnetic vector potential. This problem has two parts. This is first part and this is second part. And first of all, we see the problem and try to understand it. At first part, we see that verify that the magnetic vector potential A due to uniform magnetic field B is given by this relation. So we have to show that this relation, and this is the relation between uniform magnetic field B and magnetic vector potential A. This magnetic field is uniform, that is, it is a constant magnetic field and it is not a variable. And we have to show this relation at first. And second part, we have to show that del dot A equal to 0, where A is the magnetic vector potential and which is given by this equation, A equal to minus half r cross B, where r is the position vector and B is the constant magnetic field and A is the magnetic vector potential, and we have to show that del dot A equal to 0 and del cross A equal to B. We have to also show that del cross A equal to B, where B is the uniform magnetic field, that is constant magnetic field, and A is the corresponding magnetic vector potential, and which is given by this equation, A equal to minus half r cross B. This is the problem, and so let us see the solution. From vector identity we can write curl of B cross A equal to B times divergence of R minus B dot gradient operator, that is del operator, times R, where R is the position vector and here B is the constant vector and here it is a uniform magnetic field. So for a constant vector we can write this vector identity. Here B is uniform magnetic field and we write here this vector identity, and let us see. In next line it is very easy, that B times del dot R, that is divergence of R, minus B dot gradient operator or del operator, that is B dot del operator, times R. In next step, easily we can write 3B minus of B vector, because of we know from vector calculus that del dot R, where R is the position vector, del dot R equal to 3, and from vector calculus we have to show that we can show that B dot del operator times R equal to B, where B is a constant vector and here B is the uniform magnetic field, that is constant magnetic field. At the end of this problem I will discuss about how del dot R equal to 3 and how B dot del times R equal to B. So easily we can write 3B minus B equal to 2B, or B equal to half times curl of B cross R. This is curl of B cross R, and we can easily write B equal to half of curl B cross R. This is equation 1. Now from definition of A, that is from definition of magnetic vector potential A, we can write B equal to curl of A, this is equation 2. In previous video I already discussed about the definition of magnetic vector potential, and I already discussed how this relation comes, B equal to curl of A or B equal to del cross R. How we can get, I already discussed in previous video, and you can see it. Now if we see equation 1 and equation 2, then we can see that the left hand side of this equation are same, that is both are B vector. So we can easily say the right hand side of these two equations must be equal. So we can write curl A equal to half of curl B cross A. So comparing 1 and 2, we get curl A equal to half of curl B cross A. So we can say A equal to half times B cross R. A equal to half times B cross R. We can write this from this equation, or A equal to minus half times R cross B, because of we know that A cross B equal to minus of B cross A, and here we write that B cross R equal to, we can write minus of R cross B. So we can write A equal to minus half times R cross B, hence verified. So this was the first part of this problem, and let us see the second part. We already verified that A equal to minus half times R cross B, and now we have to verify, we have to check that del dot A equal to 0, where A is given by this equation, and del cross A equal to B. This is the second part of the problem. So let us see the second part. Here del dot A equal to, we can write in place of A, we already verified that A equal to minus half times R cross B, and we use here in place of A. So del dot A equal to minus half times del dot R cross B, or in next step we can write half times del dot B cross R, because of we know that A cross B equal to minus of B cross A, and here we can say minus of R cross B equal to B cross R. Now from vectors identity, if we use here the back minus cap rule, then we can easily write half times B dot del cross R minus R dot del cross B. From, if we use back minus cap rule from vector identity, then we can easily write it. Now from vector calculus, we know that del cross R equal to 0 and del dot B equal to 0, since B is uniform, that is B is a constant vector. For a vector B which is a constant vector, if the B is a constant vector, then from vector calculus we can write del cross B equal to 0. So if we use these two value, that del cross R equal to 0 and del cross B equal to 0 in this expression, then we can easily get del dot A equal to 0. Therefore del dot A equal to 0, and again we have to calculate del cross A. So we can easily write del cross A equal to minus half del cross R cross B, because of we already verified that A equal to minus half times R cross B. In this equation, we already verified that A equal to minus half R cross B. So, in place of A, here in place of A, similarly we can write minus half R cross B. So del cross A equal to this, and next step we can write half times del cross B cross R, and we already discussed that the value del cross B cross R equal to 2B. So let us see again this. Let us see curl of B cross A equal to 2B. So we can use this expression here in the place of del cross R cross B. So in the place of del cross R cross B we can write 2B, and it is simplifies to B. So del cross A equal to B and del dot A equal to 0. So this was the first and second part of this problem, and I told that I will discuss about how del dot R equal to 3 and how B dot del times R equal to B. So let us see this note. Del dot R equal to, we can write in place of del operator, we can write del del x I cap plus del del y j cap plus del del z k cap dot in place of R, that is R is the position vector. So in place of R we can write x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap. So if we simplify this, then we can write 1 plus 1 plus 1, and that equal to 3. And the next, B dot del times R, where B is the uniform vector or constant vector. So here we can write Bx is the x component of B, and By is the y component of B, and Bz is the z component of B. And since here B dot del operator, so we can write Bx del del x plus By del del y plus Bz del del z times in place of R vector we can write x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap, and if we simplify this, then we can easily write Bx I cap plus By j cap plus Bz k cap, and this is equal to B vector, which is uniform magnetic field here. So this was the complete discussion today, and this is very important problem in magnetostatics. Let us review this problem again now. Here the problem was verified that the magnetic vector potential A due to uniform magnetic field B is given by this equation. So we have to verify this. And the second part, we have to show that del dot A equal to 0 and del cross A equal to B, where A is the magnetic vector potential and which is given by this equation. Now from vector identity we can write for a uniform magnetic field or uniform vector field curl of B cross R equal to this, and if we simplify this, then we can write curl of B cross R equal to 2B. So B equal to half of this, and this is equation 1. And from definition of magnetic vector potential A, we can say B equal to this, and if we compare this 1 and 2, then we can easily write this equation, and so we can write A equal to half of B cross R, or A equal to minus half of R cross B. So such a way we can verify this. And in second part, del dot A, in place of A we write this expression minus half of R cross B, and if we simplify this, then we can easily get del dot A equal to 0. And similarly, del cross A, in place of A we can write minus half R cross B, and if we simplify, then we get this term, and this value is 2b, and we can easily get b. So all these are verified. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.